Previously on High Drama.
Bertha, it's just a big fat cockroach.
This job is so boring, I hate it.
Welcome to Fat Burger. May I take your order?
Barthalameul, what's going on?
I don't know, Bertha. We're about to find out.
Oh my goodness, what?
Bertha!
Bring the drama, bitch.
High drama, high drama. When the bad guys try to harm you, save that drama for your mama. High drama, high drama. High drama, high drama. High drama, high drama, high drama. High drama, high drama. You cannot stop the high drama in your life right now.
Jumping Jehoshaphat. This world is pointing in the direction of the crapper.
Ooh, hello, boy. Tasers and nightsticks. Oh my.
Took my time with it. I've thought it through and through. I'm but a child of wolves, and so are you. But do you remember how you
Oh no, I'm late for my first day interning at the Smith Terrier Detective Agency.
High drama,
Tommy, did you want some breakfast?
No, Mom, I'm already running late.
Tommy, did you want some breakfast?
No, Mom,
Did you want some breakfast?
Joshua Jordan.
Connie Watnik. Now, is that a way to greet your bestie with testes?
You just startled me a little bit, that's all.
I forgot you were coming.
Yeah, dude, it's whatever. I got a ride here with our buddy in the van. You know him, Dustin Connell.
Hey!
He dropped me off and said he'll take you to work since your car is in the shop, dude.
Well, thanks. I am running late.
Oh man, I almost forgot. Dude, did you hear what happened to Bertha and Barthalameul at Fatburger?
We went to school with them.
What happened? Well, dude, Bertha was killed when her face got ripped off, and Bartholomew was dragged through a drive-through window and supposedly, rumor has it, butt-raped in the back of a molester van.
What?
Yeah, dude. Rumor has it that his virgin ass was split wide open by a giant cockroach monster.
Rape is not funny, Josh.
Well, dude, all I'm saying is they don't call them cockroaches for nothing.
What's your bag doing here?
Oh yeah, dude. The rents kicked me out on the counter. I was smoking too much of that cannabis. They gave me that cannabis lecture. Get it? Cannabis lecture? Stupid.
Look, you're gonna have to stop smoking that crap around me. I'm about to be interning at the most famous detective agency in the entire universe.
Bite my ass, Tommy.
I am not biting your ass.
Bite my ass. I'm not biting your ass. Yeah. Can't wait for legalization. Ask your moms if I can stay.
Mom, can Josh stay with us for a while again?
Why, yes, sugar.
Thanks, Tommy.
Okay, later. I gotta go.
You cannot stop the high drama in your life right now.
Thanks for the ride, man.
Man, I thought he'd never leave.
Me either.
So now what?
I've been waiting for this all morning, sugar.
Sorry you've been waiting for a very long time, but you know it'll be worth the wait.
Yes.
We're gonna have to keep this on the DL, the down low.
Yes. I don't want my son to find out about this either.
Definitely don't want Tommy to know that his bestie is banging his mom. We can meet up later for a Rendez vows.
Don't you mean rendezvous?
Yeah, whatever. Just as long as he never finds out.
Get those clothes off. I remember the first time you came over and we started this. You came over to the house, high and drunk. I smelled the liquor on your breath and I liked it. I liked it.
I wanna talk about it.
Yeah, and we did it while he was asleep.
Talk about it.